Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Big news for Samsung Galaxy users. If you have a Galaxy S25, S25 Edge, or any device running Android 13 or newer, you need to pay close attention. Samsung has just issued a critical security warning, and this isn't just a minor patch. Today we're breaking down what the vulnerability is, how it works, and what you need to do to protect your phone and personal data. This is a zero-click vulnerability, meaning it can be triggered without you tapping, clicking, or even opening anything. That makes it extremely dangerous. The flaw, tracked as CVE 2025-21043, was reported by WhatsApp and exists in a closed-source image parsing library from a company called Kuramsoft. Here's how it works. A remote attacker sends a specially crafted image to your phone. When your device processes that image, the malicious code is written into memory in a way it shouldn't be, what's called an out-of-bounds write. If executed successfully, this allows the attacker to take full control of your device. They could access messages, photos, apps, or even use your phone as part of a larger cyber attack. And because this is a zero-click vulnerability, you don't have to do anything for the attack to happen. It can run silently in the background. While these attacks are considered rare, they're extremely sophisticated and usually targeted at high-profile individuals, journalists, politicians, diplomats, and government employees. But don't think you're safe just because you're not famous. Any device that isn't fully updated is a potential target. Hackers prefer phones running older software or missing the latest security patches. So it's in your best interest to stay ahead of the updates. A similar zero-click vulnerability affected iPhones last month. WhatsApp patched it quickly after discovering a flaw in linked device synchronization. Both cases show how even messaging apps we trust can be a vector for serious attacks. Here's how to protect yourself. Samsung updates are rolled out by model, country, and carrier. This means your phone might get the update later than others, but as soon as your device shows a new patch, install it immediately. Don't wait. Zero-click attacks are dangerous because they require no action on your part. The attack can run silently and compromise your personal information, bank accounts, or sensitive communications. Even if you're not a high-profile target, keeping your phone updated keeps hackers from exploiting easy vulnerabilities. Let's recap. Samsung Galaxy users running Android 13 and newer should update immediately. This vulnerability, CVE 2025-21043, is critical, zero-click, and can allow attackers to take over your phone. Keep your apps updated, watch for new patches, and stay vigilant. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech alerts, and share this with anyone you know who uses a Galaxy phone, especially friends or family who might not follow tech news closely.